Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Kathy, Becky, and myself. And our February 2025 challenge is love theme. And that love theme could be a spouse, a sister, a brother, a niece, a nephew, any family member. It could be a pet. It could be cooking. It could be any form of crafting that you love, any form of outdoor activities that you love, anything that you love. And that's all we ask, is that you use your scraps from your stash and create a wonderful layout and memory. Here I am going to create a layout here from a date night for my husband and I a year ago at our favorite Mexican restaurant. This was taken in January of 2024. I'm going to mat it on this pattern paper, and then I'm going to back my photograph behind this geometric 60 vibes paper. That's what it reminds me of. So I am thinking I either want to use the word faith and one of these little subtitles or perfect. All right, I've got out a couple more embellishments, and these three are from Vicki Boutin's Bold and Bright collection, and these items here are from 49 and Market, and then of course I have this from Close to My Heart that was in this group. Now, what I have decided is I feel like I need to have something along here, and this is a clear sticker. It's a little bit too long, so I need to chop it off a little bit. Okay, I think that's going to work. And I did not realize this was a clear sticker under here till I was messing with it. Kind of retro, right? So now I got to get another washi tape. I got solid. I got a real thin solid. And I think that's going to be my answer right there. Yeah. Like that. Okay. Now, I have this gold leaf. I'm thinking like that. Then I feel something has to go there. We'll see. Then I have this 49 and Market, and that green. I'm liking that. That looks good. I just need to do something about right there. Like this, Loving Life. But we need something else. Not sure what. Let me look. I have some word phrases over here in a little bin. And Faith Besties. Oh, I kind of like that. I like this. Faith Besties. Best show. Nope. Faith. Be kind to yourself. Ooh. Let's see. You are here to do what makes you feel alive. Faith. Oh, that fills up that spot. Be kind to yourself. You are here to do what makes you feel alive. I think I like that. I want to put something here in this corner, so I think I'm going to use this flower sticker here, and it ties in the colors that are up here. And we're going to tuck that under like this. It's going to kind of come off the page a little bit, but I'm okay with that. Okay, this layout is complete. I struggled with it a little bit, but I finally got it figured out at the very end. So we have the word faith, Be kind to yourself. You are here to do what makes you feel alive. And then we've got the little stars here from the sticker sheet right there, the flowers from right there. I added the puffy butterfly, which is from the Vicki Boutin Bold, Bright and Bold collection. I added the silver gems that were from Close to My Heart. I added from the, is it Bold and Bright or Bright and Bold collection, the word wonderful, which brings your eye across here with the black and white, with the 3 black and white areas. And this layout is complete. I appreciate you all. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and most of all, get out your scrappy supplies and document those memories in a fun, creative way. Give me a thumbs up. Share my channel. Be a subscriber. Keep coming back.